Hi, this is Asad Ali, your Ozu Zen card reader and relationship coach. For the month of September, I'm really excited. Today, September coming closer and closer. It's just increasing my excitement. It also reminds me of the song Wake Me Up When September Ends. Some of your favorite, right? I'm extremely sorry that I couldn't make this video as early as possible because from the past 2 weeks I've been suffering from dengue fever. Now I'm back with my energy. It is middle of the night around 4 a.m. in India to make this video for you. I also have a small request for you. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Your comment will be appreciated if you do so. Also, if you share it on the social page, your friends or family will know that what you're looking at. And who knows, your one share can help someone who don't want help from anyone else, and by seeing this video they can get something from it. And my wish is to get 100k subscriber to Amiva's channel, so you can help me to get that by sharing this video on your social page. Also, in each at the end of each sign I have shared advice which you can follow and have a positive vibes around you. So let's start with the birthday month Virgo. Happy birthday, Virgo. And let's start the general reading for the month of September, Virgo. Let's start for the month of September, general reading for Virgo. This is the issue you're facing. This is the inner soul or the inner voice which you're not able to hear. This is the outside circumstances. It can be your friends or family influencing you. This is the solution which you can get out of it, and this will be the understanding what you will get. Let's read for the month of September, Virgo. Creativity. There's an issue with you which is inside your mind actually. Creativity. You, Virgo, are really creative people. So it's just you have an issue within your mind that what if you make something which will not last for long? What if you make something which will not be appreciated by anyone else in this world? It doesn't matter. Creativity is creativity. You can say in this figure that Mother Nature, Earth, is creating everything. It is creating the moon, it is creating the flowers, oceans, and everything is different from each other. It doesn't resonate with each other. They are different. They have their own places. So while creating stuff, you should not see what the situation will arise. You should just create it as you want to. Let's see the soul card which is coming to you. It is in the mind. Again, it's your heart. It is saying that you're fighting with your hearts and mind. Again, to have to be creative, you have an issue that you should be creative or not. You should go in something creative or not. And again, you're fighting with your mind. That is you're issuing. You're seeing the situation in the fight way. That you're battling with your own mind, and you can see that in this there's a mind. There's a figure behind of this person, this warrior. There's a figure behind. He's just imagining that figure, and his eyes is full of rage. His eyes is full of anger. He's just about to burst on something. So you're just fighting with yourself. So because of that, you're not able to create what you meant to be. What you're going to create, it can be very beautiful, but because of you fighting back from creating it, you fighting the back from the negativity, this is the reason you're not able to create what you want to create. Let's see the circumstances, outside circumstances, moment to moment. Okay, your friends and family says to just follow a physical topic which is known as moment to moment. That means it's a small phase that take a step by step. As you are a creator, you have been creating so many things. You feel that you are creating at the same time. You can do multitasking, and you know that you are confident about it, but listening to others, you are taking moment to moment. You are taking step by step, small step by step. So you are not able to accomplish so many things. That's the reason you are fighting with your mind. You want to need to do this, you need to do that, but listening to others, you are not able to create what you're meant to be. Let's go to the solution for the same. Totality. In this, you can see that it's an action card. It's an action card. In this, you can see that all the figures are into the zone. So you can see that they are depending on each other. That means that the things which you create will definitely give a, so what you say, it will definitely give a positive vibe in the world. All you need to do is take the action, take the leap into this world, do what you're meant to do. Just take a step ahead and you will see the difference in it. You will see a lot of difference in it. Let's see the understanding what you're getting is consciousness. It's again a mind card. So to to create yourself, just to be yourself, you need to be understanding, you need to be conscious, you need to believe in yourself. So but consciousness, you can see that in this figure, it is this person is going beyond the stars, beyond the moon. It is going just around. It's like like a statue of Buddha, which is very conscious, which has very deep thinking inside it. So what I can say is, to be a creator, you first need to stop fighting with your mind and agree that you can achieve what you're meant to be. And you should, the others are saying that you should take a step by step, but I feel that you are made to be a total person. You are being totality is there inside you. And even you are a conscious person, consciousness is inside you. Just you have made yourself so much above everything that you know that you can create many things at the same time. So what's the final resolution coming out of your reading is, let's see it. Okay, I see two stages for you. One, you can listen to other, take by step, and then fight with your mind that you were meant to achieve so much, you meant to do so much, and you're not achieving it. You are a creator, but you're not doing it because you're listening to other, taking step by step, leap by leap into this world, into your work, into your love life, whatever it is. Now let's see the other resolution which I'm suggesting you. As far as I can see that your action, you're totally complete. You know what you're going through, you know what you can achieve. You just trust yourself, you completely believe in yourself. Because of the belief, the consciousness is developed inside you. You know where you're going, and then only you will be a creator. You will be able to create multiple things at the same times. So what I'm suggesting you is to follow this side, which is the left hand side. Do you know that you have a big creator, you can do many multitasking at the same time, you have a conscious mind, you can do multitasking also, you have a totality. Apart from this, you can listen to others what they are saying and take one step by step, and then fight against yourself, that you should fight against your mind, that you should have done this, you should have done this, or you should have done that to achieve that. And this is the end of the reading for September for Virgo. I also have a small tip for you, a small advice for you. So it's your birthday month, so I feel that you should be generous enough. I feel that you can afford a shoe or a sandal, and you can donate to someone who can't afford it. It will not only give you positivity, but also create a feel good energy around you. Just try it. If you can afford, really you can help someone, just try it and see the positivity around you. So this was the general reading for the month of September, Virgo, and happy birthday once again for you. See you next month for the general reading.